So what is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. Now today, as you can see behind me, I have a Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster behind me. Today I'm going to be filming a video on this, which is very exciting as it's a bucket list car that I've wanted to go in for ages. So you just saw the start up, the cold start before this clip, and yeah, you can tell it sounds absolutely incredible. I'm going to start off by doing a little music edit of the car, showing you around it, and then I'll do a quick little walk around before going for a spin in it. So hope you enjoy the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Right, so I'll give you a brief walk around on the car and a bit of information about it. So this is of course the Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster, the LP740-4. So it's got an extra 40 brake horsepower over the original Aventador and loads of new modern touches to make it an all-round far better car. Trouble is with the other cars going past, however. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you a few differences. The people that know a lot about cars will know these obvious things, but new exhaust over the original Aventador, kind of sort of triangular shape to it. We got these carbon fibre side vents here, which were taken from the Lamborghini Aventador SV, which, if you get a close up on those, look insane, and they really transform the rear end of the car and give it a kind of really angular and aggressive shape to it, really, along with the, you know, unique engine slots. Don't know what I just said, but very unique shape here, all triangular, all really aggressive to help with the look of the car. I mean, if I take a step back a second, I mean, just look at that. Looks absolutely incredible. Another awesome touch on this car is the rims. See, they've got this centre lock kind of design on them, which just makes them look incredible. You can see it along with the Aventador S badge. Take a little look in the interior. So it keeps the same kind of aggressive shape as the original Aventador with the really slanted front windshield. The van to go past. Yeah, it keeps a really kind of angular, aggressive interior shape as the original Aventador, whilst adding a few more modern touches just to make it that kind of better car. You see, it's got the full Alcantara seats, which look awesome. If I take a step around here so I'm not in the road. You see it's got the carbon fibre dash, carbon fibre on the middle. In fact, if I take a step in this a second, I can show you a bit better. So as you see, it's got the full carbon fibre down the centre console there, and with the start-stop button, which is always a big thing for Lamborghini to make a kind of fighter jet almost interior. You see the shape of the dash there. Everything's just so aggressive on this car. Take a look around again. The seats do look incredible on this, and they are also extremely comfortable. You know, they're not too comfortable, they give you a kind of racing feel, but they still keep the comfort element almost. A bit rough at the bottom, but nothing you don't expect from a supercar. You see it's got some more carbon fibre details on the door there, as well as Alcantara and some nice red stitching. Yeah, all round an absolutely incredible car. As you can see, I'm back with the car now. Thought I'd film the outro now just to save kind of filming a bad lighting video in my room later. But yeah, insane to film that car, awesome to experience a car, and yeah, it's just a bucket list car that I've wanted to film for a while. So make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, let me know what you thought, and stay tuned because there's some also very exciting content like this coming to the channel soon. And I shall see you in the next video.